Hi guys, this is Richard, your developer for the Bluetooth remote for your Android Power device, and today I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a walkthrough of how to go ahead and install it and get it paired from your Android device to your PC, which is running Windows XP. Alright, first of all, let's go ahead here and install the Bluetooth remote server. You can do that at www.redzcorp.com. Okay. And once you have installed that, let's go ahead here, go to our Bluetooth icon here, make sure it's enabled. Mine is already, but just to show you guys how you would, that's how you disable it. You right click and enable that Bluetooth adapter. Let's go ahead and launch the application as well here on our Android device. So let's do that. Just powering on our Bluetooth. Okay, now on the Windows side of things, so let's right click and we're going to go to Advanced Configuration. And what I must note here is that on Windows XP, it's a little more difficult, or at least there's just more steps included than using a Windows 7 operating system. Also, I realize that there are two different drivers, so I'm going to go and make two videos pretty much for you guys to get you connected as quickly as possible and simply without problems. This is the most uncommon version I've seen. This is rather old adapter. I have gone through several testing here using about 8 adapters, Bluetooth 3.0, 2.1, 2.0. So just wanted to cover every angle here for you guys. So here we want to go to accessibility, and we want to let other Bluetooth device discover this computer. We want to make sure that is checked. We're going to hit apply. Okay, and let's go over to local services. We want to manually add the serial port service. So we're going to add Bluetooth port. Let's go ahead and add it at COM port 6. You can choose whichever one you want. I'm just going to go ahead with COM port 6. Alright, let's set it to start automatically. I'm going to hit apply. Okay. Alright, and this is the port that we're going to be interested in, COM port 6. Nonetheless, we're going to also add an outgoing port. Let's put that on 7. Okay, I'm going to hit apply, and okay. We probably won't use this, but the devices do communicate with each other, so we're going to add it nonetheless just to avoid any problems later. Alright, so once we have done that, let's go ahead and hit OK. Alright, and over on the Android side of things, let's go through the same process. We connect, I'm going to scan for a device. Okay, there's my PC running Windows XP. We're going to do that, and it's going to prompt us for a key code. Alright, so let's go ahead and enter our code. Alright, entered 00. Then it's prompting us here on the Windows XP side to enter that same key code. I'm going to enter 00. Alright, and it should have established pairing with that device. Let's go here and take a look. Yep, we are now paired. So the next step that we want to do is bind those devices together. So we're going to go here and go to Bluetooth Setup Wizard. Alright, we're going to select our third option. I want to configure the Bluetooth service that this computer will provide to remote devices. Hit next. Alright, and it has a bunch of different services here. We are only interested in the Bluetooth serial port. I'm just going to disable some of these. You might want to use them depending on what business you have and using your phone, but for just the purposes of this, you don't need fax, headset, all that. I am interested in serial port. I'm going to hit configure. Alright, make sure it's on COM port 6. Hit OK, and then finished. Alright, now all we have to do now is enter our COM port here, COM port 6. Alright, we're going to start a service. Just got a prop here that it's opening COM port 6. All right, and on our application here, we're going to hit connect, and it connected. Oh, it's asking to grant. You want to make sure you hit always allow so that you don't have to interact with the PC every time you try to connect from your phone. So we're just going to check that always allow and hit OK. Alright, and we should be now connected. Yep, there it is. It says Media Remote and it's connected to Reds One. Okay, that is how you would connect using this Bluetooth driver for Windows XP. Stay tuned for part 2, or rather how to use a different driver here in just a second. Thank you guys.